Honor has set itself apart by offering devices with great value for money. Their latest 200 series features stylish and affordable smartphones focused on photography, developed in collaboration with the renowned French photography studio Harcourt. This partnership aims to provide professional-level portrait shots at a modest price. The Honor 200, a mid-range offering, comes with impressive specs that are close to its Pro variant. Our review unit has 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Design: the Honor 200 has a premium feel with sleek curves and a slim 7mm form factor, weighing 187 grams. Our black review unit features a metallic back, smooth frame, and glossy camera enclosure. It's easy to handle, slim in hand, and fits easily into pockets. The right side houses the power button and volume rocker, while the left side is clean. The bottom has a loudspeaker, Type-C port, and dual nano SIM slot. The top includes another loudspeaker, an IR blaster, and the microphone. However, it lacks an official IP rating, so be cautious with dust and water. Display: the 6.7-inch quad-curved AMOLED panel features 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, a resolution of 2664 1200, and a max brightness of 4000 nits, with TÜV flicker-free certification. The high pixel density, 435 ppi, provides sharp, colorful images, perfect for high-resolution video watching. Dual stereo speakers offer clear sound even at max volume. The Honor 200 includes pattern, numeric, and alphanumeric codes for unlocking, along with an in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock. The fingerprint sensor is quick, and the facial recognition works well, even with a mask. Overall, the Honor 200 combines design, display quality, and security features, making it a strong mid-range smartphone choice. Cameras. The Honor 200's standout feature is its camera system, combining quality hardware with AI enhancements for impressive shots. It includes a 50MP main camera, a 50MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide sensor on the back, plus a 50MP front camera for selfies. While it takes a moment to load, the shutter speed is quick. Photos are generally bright and detailed, though some may have slight oversaturation. Portrait mode, developed in collaboration with Studio Harcourt, offers vibrant color and classic options, though these are limited to the rear camera. The Honor 200's cameras include optical and electronic image stabilization, which is useful. Video recording supports 4K at 30 FPS, but AI video features must be turned off for this resolution. Overall, it performs well against flagship models, though the quality of photos largely depends on user skill. OS, apps, and UI. The Honor 200 runs on Magic OS 8.0, based on Android 14, and promises 3 Android updates and 4 years of security updates. The software is user-friendly, offering gesture or button navigation. Apps are organized in folders on the home screen, and an AI Essentials folder keeps recent apps handy. Initially, there's no app drawer, but this can be enabled in settings. The phone comes with some pre-installed bloatware, including duplicates of Google Apps, Play Store versus App Market, Google Photos versus Gallery, and apps like Booking.com, Trip.com, TikTok, Netflix, and Facebook. The UI is standard Android, with Honor Share and Quick Share options available. The IR blaster is labeled as device control here. Performance: the Honor 200 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset and an Adreno 720 GPU, paired with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. In our experience, the phone handled games effortlessly. Team fight tactics ran smoothly, and more demanding games like PUBG Mobile maintained stable frame rates without any issues. Interestingly, the device only heated up during a major Genshin Impact update, not during benchmark tests. In terms of synthetic benchmarks, the Honor 200 performs admirably, scoring just under 1 million on Antutu V10. This, combined with high read and write speeds for storage, ensures that users will enjoy fast and reliable performance across various applications and tasks. Overall, the Honor 200 proves to be a capable performer in its segment. Battery. The Honor 200 features a 5,200 mAh battery with 100W supercharged support via USB Type-C. It charges from 0% to 100% in about 45 minutes. The battery lasts approximately 12 hours and 55 minutes in the PC Markwork 3.0 test, 27 hours and 17 minutes in video playback, and 12 hours and 30 minutes in gaming. Connectivity includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, dual nano-SIM support, and an IR blaster. Call quality and Wi-Fi stability are standard. Conclusion. The Honor 200 delivers excellent value at PHP 24,999, excelling in design, display, camera quality, performance, and battery life. It does have some drawbacks, including a confusing software setup and lack of an IP rating. Despite these issues, it's a solid, budget-friendly option for 2024. Pre-order by July 26, 2024 to receive a free pair of JBL sound gear frames worth PHP 9,499. What do you think of the Honor 200? Let us know your thoughts below.